What do the AI bubble, increasing RAM prices, and Half-Life 3 have to do with each other? Well, it's an interesting and depressing story. As we all know, a while back, Valve teased 3 new pieces of hardware, and of course the one that's been getting the most attention for both good and bad reasons, the Steam machine. And while concept-wise, the novelty of a Valve Steam-based console is kind of interesting, it is at the end of the day just a mini PC and one with rather underwhelming specs as well. However, what also made the hype for this thing simmer down a bit is the fact that we don't know 2 big pieces of information: the release date and also the price. Now first we thought that maybe because it's just still early in development, or maybe Valve are just testing the waters, seeing what kind of community feedback they get to try and establish when they should be releasing this thing and also how much it should cost. But no, it goes a bit deeper than that, because as with most things nowadays, it all comes back to AI. More specifically, the huge DRAM shortage we are living through right now, which has seen memory prices skyrocket pretty much across the board. And this appears to be the reason why we haven't heard anything more specific from Valve after this announcement, because, well, they have no idea what to do. And I don't blame them. It's a horrible time to be releasing new hardware like this when the prices are just going through the roof and there's not much you can do about it other than just wait for it to hopefully go back to sensible levels soon. But when that will be, well, no one knows. And the worst part about all of that, it's now holding Half-Life 3 hostage. Yes, Half-Life 3 is real and it's supposed to be essentially a launch title for the Steam machine, though the problem is that with the launch being still up in the air, we won't be getting our hands on it until this thing finally releases, and who knows when that'll be. So if you didn't hate this AI bubble enough, now you have another reason that it's keeping this game that's been literal vaporware for ages actively hostage. Though to be fair, at this point it'll have to cure all of the diseases in the world and bring back every single dead celebrity in order to live up to the hype. But even then, that poses a pretty interesting question. Why is it so important for Half-Life 3 to release alongside the system? I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if it's going to end up being some kind of pack-in title, but still, it's not like Half-Life Alyx, where it was meant to demonstrate the capabilities of the Valve Index, and you needed a VR headset of any kind to play it, and you won't be needing a Steam machine to play Half-Life 3, and in fact, given the subpar specs, it'll probably be just a worse way of experiencing the game when compared to just your regular PC, but still, it's Valve, they probably do have some plans. So I want to hear, what are your expectations? How do you think this will all work out? Let me know down in the comments below, and while you're at it, maybe check out Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Tristan Rage, Ronyak, Polish Voka, not a pseudonym, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft. But anyway, that's not it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.